Yeah, you're half right. Okay, so for problem number 44, we have the equation f of x equals 3 over x minus 8. We're asked to find the f inverse. So remember that f of x is a fancy way to say y. And then to find f inverse, we have to solve for y, but we've got to switch the x and y. So we got to do both of those, right? So wherever there's a y, we would switch to x. Actually, I don't want to use that marker. I want to use the other marker. So we would switch my y to an x, and then wherever there's an x, I switch to a y. And then we've got to solve for y equals some stuff. So I could, if I cross multiply, okay, what I end up with is 3 is equal to x times the quantity y minus 8, okay? And then I want to get y by itself, so I'm going to divide everything by x. And so I get 3 over x equals y minus 8. And so then I'll get f inverse of x, which is really y, is equal to 3 over x minus 8. Or plus 8, I'm sorry, because when we move this to the other side, it becomes positive. And so if you look, though, it's not exactly how it's written. So we need a common denominator. So in order to make this a common denominator of x, we have to multiply the top and bottom by x. So then my f inverse is equal to 3 plus 8x all over x. And that one we do have, which is 8. Was that the right answer? Yeah.